Welcome all of you. Audio, video clear. So welcome to this very important lecture. All of you, let your friends know about this session. Let more people be part of this session. So this is the introduction of non-verbal aptitude topics for GATE General Aptitude. It's like a free class where you get complete information about what all topics are there in the non-verbal ability part or non-verbal aptitude part of GATE exam. So this is for all GATE aspirants preparing for 2025 GATE exam, and also for other exam preparing aspirants. These topics are common. Non-verbal aptitude common है सारा almost all competitive exams के लिए, especially CSIR or UPSC or other exams also. For them also this is definitely useful. But the previous year questions I am showing is strictly from GATE previous years only. And this is like an introduction to our new course we are starting from day after tomorrow. We are starting the complete course for GATE General Aptitude from day after tomorrow. Before that, this is the intro of me, or more about me you can see here. And to get connected or to get more information, you can check out these links also, our websites, our mobile app, the contact information, and the Telegram ID also. So for the new people, this is the book I have written for general aptitude section, which is currently the bestseller book, which is available in Amazon and Flipkart. These are the other books I have written, and these are the playlists in this channel which you can use for further learning for other exams also. Subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates. And also, these are the free resources we provide. There are two websites, christysclasses.in and christyvarghese.in, and Telegram channel, WhatsApp group, and mobile application. The links of all these resources are given in the description of the video. So check it out and join that. In the Telegram channel and WhatsApp group, you can get daily quizzes and other free resources also, and updates of all our upcoming free classes also. And the flashcards also you can find in our mobile application, Christy's Classes. Flashcards for NET, flashcards for GATE, flashcards for UPSC and other exams also. And our paid courses are there in our mobile application. As I told, complete course for GATE General Aptitude is starting from day after tomorrow, August 1st. And complete course for CSIR-NET recorded course only is available currently. Live course will be starting only after 1 month. Recorded course price is like a nominal price only we have set for the 1 month, 3 month, 6 month and 12-month subscriptions are available. And flashcards for GATE and NET and other exams also are available. That also you can use. Download our mobile application for getting all these course information. CSIR-NET का complete course join करने के लिए these are the details of it. The demo videos are uploaded already in the mobile app. 2 videos completely free. It is accessible. 1 month subscription, 3 month subscription prices you can see here. Complete theory, previous year questions, practice questions, everything is there in this course. And this is the details of the GATE complete course which we are starting from day after tomorrow. So I will take 1 minute. By that time, please invite your friends. In the 1 minute, I will explain about this course for the new students who are following me now. Okay, GATE का complete course हम शुरू कर रहा है परसों से. 66 लाइव लेक्चर्स होगा, उसमें 60 लाइव लेक्चर और 6 डाउट क्लियरिंग सेशंस होगा. इसमें कंप्लीट थियरी ऑफ ऑल टॉपिक्स ऑफ GATE जनरल एप्टीट्यूड विल बी कवर्ड. दैट इज वर्बल एंड नॉन वर्बल दोनों कवर हो जाएगा. दैट मींस 15 मार्क्स जनरल एप्टीट्यूड में है. ऑल टॉपिक्स दैट इज फॉर दैट 15 मार्क्स वी विल बी कवरिंग इन दिस कोर्स. There is 100 hours of content live and the recording will be available till your GATE exam also. As I told, 10 verbal aptitude topics, 48 non-verbal aptitude topics will be covered in this. Flashcard revision videos also will be there. Shortcut tricks, exam hacks also will be there. Practice worksheets, mock test. Course Hindi or English, दोनों language mixed होगा, and the classes can be accessed in laptop and mobile phone. Laptop access, if you want, you can just visit our website christysclasses.in. Mobile application, Christy's Classes is there so that you can attend the classes in mobile. So these are the free study materials we provide. 100 flashcards, 60 topic wise PDF, 60 practice worksheets and test series. So the idea is the first 4 months you will have live classes, 15 classes per month. 4 months the classes will be over. Uske baad we will be discussing the practice questions and test series, mock test, etc. So that by February 2025 you will be completely ready for GATE general aptitude and get very high mark in minimum time. That is the idea. Timing of the live class is the same timing that you are attending this session live, 8 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. So for more information, contact this number, and you can get more information from that also, or download our mobile application. There you can find the details of the course and directly join for the course. ये course सारा aspirants के लिए है, no confusion. For all science stream aspirants like physics, mathematics, statistics, life sciences, chemistry, biotechnology, geology and geophysics, ecology, or all these pure science streams, and also engineering, all streams, no confusion. Pure science, engineering दोनों का general aptitude section same है. Subject part different है, but general aptitude section is same itself. So this course is also common for all these streams. That means all students who are appearing for GATE 2025, that is the audience for this course. So any of you who are preparing for GATE General Aptitude can join this course. As I told, more information about this course, you can see here the course structure. More about it towards the end of the video also I will tell you. And for giving you complete clearance of doubt, we have provided dedicated Telegram channel and WhatsApp group only for this course. After every 9 lecture, there will be a live doubt clearing session, and after every sessions also, you can ask the doubts live in the class itself. And these are the list of the study materials we provide, and these are the timing and starting date of the course. So that is about the course. This is the complete structure of the course. If there is any doubt regarding the course, you can comment on this video also, or mention it in the live chat also. We will definitely answer you. So let's start today's session. Once again reminding, this course is starting from August 1st, that is day after tomorrow, from the day that I am taking this session live. So all of you are welcome to be part of this course. Currently launch offer is available, and in case you are not able to afford the course but you want to learn from me and money is the issue, then you can contact us. We will definitely try to support students in case financial issue is the reason that you cannot attend the course. But we haven't set the price high. We have set the price so that GST and other charges included, the price is affordable itself. Okay, so let us start today's session. कल हम discuss किया था shortcut methods के बारे में. Last class we discussed about shortcut methods ना. Any of you missed that video? Check the previous video in this channel, previous live lecture in this channel, where we have discussed about the important shortcut methods. In our complete course also, for each question we will be using these 15 shortcut methods, one or the other, or multiple methods for the same question, so that you get flexibility. Okay, so let us start. Once again reminding you, this session ka objective, this session is to introduce you the non-verbal aptitude part. As you know, GATE exam there are two sections, verbal aptitude and non-verbal aptitude. Verbal aptitude means English section. That is the main difference of GATE exam from other exams. Some of you are preparing for CSIR-NET maybe. The CSIR-NET, there is no verbal aptitude at all. But GATE, almost 4 to 5 mark you can expect from verbal aptitude. Sometimes 3 mark only. So 3 to 5 you can say. 3 to 5 marks for verbal aptitude alone. So you have to prepare that. We have scheduled 10 lectures in this course for the verbal aptitude part. So that is the first section. Non-verbal aptitude is a second section. There are 3 units in that: quantitative aptitude, analytical aptitude, and spatial aptitude. This is a syllabus mentioned in IIT website itself for GATE 2025 exam. So I am elaborating the non-verbal aptitude part today. And tomorrow we will be discussing verbal aptitude part. I will elaborate all the areas of verbal aptitude and examples of all these areas also. So that video will be in our mobile application Christy's classes. It's a free video itself, but it won't be in YouTube channel. That will be in mobile application Christy's classes. You can be part of our Telegram channel and WhatsApp group. There you will get updates whenever the session goes live in any platforms. Or download the mobile app now itself, so that you will get notified from there also. Okay, so let us start today. Non-verbal aptitude. As you know, 2 mark question, 1 mark question dono hai. 5 questions 1 mark, 5 questions 2 mark also. Total makes 15 marks. So verbal aptitude ka syllabus ye hai. Verbal aptitude, as I told, tomorrow we are anyway discussing examples of it, different types of questions. All those things I will completely break it down so that it is easy for you to learn. Today we will discuss only non-verbal aptitude. Non-verbal means not verbal. That means Quantitative aptitude, analytical aptitude, and spatial aptitude. These are the 3 units in non-verbal aptitude or non-verbal ability topics. I will explain one by one. First, we will start with quantitative aptitude. Quantitative aptitude means these are the areas mentioned by IITs for GATE exam. Data interpretation, numerical computation and estimation, mensuration and geometry, elementary statistics and probability. One by one we will take. Data interpretation means a data will be given, you have to interpret it. I will show you an example also. This was a 2021 GATE exam question on data interpretation. A question try kariye all of you. I will give you one example each for each of the sub-units. Quantitative aptitude is a unit. The sub-areas are data interpretation, numerical computation and estimation, mensuration and geometry, elementary statistics and probability. So one example each. Please try it super fast. Sandeep, currently there is no test series package, but we are trying to launch it very soon. We'll update you when we start it. Currently, there was a rank booster course which was like analysis of test series live, but that rank booster course is over anyway. But we are planning for a recorded version of it also. We'll let you know soon. ट्राई करिए. बार चार्ट का क्वेश्चन है. डेटा इंटरप्रिटेशन में बार चार्ट आ सकता है, पाई चार्ट आ सकता है, हिस्टोग्राम आ सकता है, लाइन ग्राफ आ सकता है, स्कैटर प्लॉट आ सकता है, कॉन्टूर लाइंस आ सकता है. There are different types of question asked in previous GATE exam. One example we'll discuss of bar chart. All of you, once again I'm telling you, please share this video link to all of your friends in your Telegram channel, WhatsApp group, or your WhatsApp status, Telegram status, etc. Let more people be part of this free platform. Any answers? Due to lack of time, I will start explaining. Number of students passing or failing in an exam for a particular subject are presented in the bar chart. Students who pass the exam cannot appear for the exam again. Students who fail the exam in the first attempt must appear for the exam in the following year. That means if a student is failing, like arrear, he have to clear or she have to appear in the next exam. And students always pass the exam in the second attempt. That means if an arrear is there, maximum second attempt, they will pass for sure. The number of students who took the exam for the first time in the year 2 and in the year 3 respectively are. Year 2 में कितना students first time exam attempt किया था? Let us check. Look at this pass data. You have to check all the legends in the question. Pass and fail are the two legends. The shaded lines are, I mean, this slanted line shaded ones are pass ones, and this dark shaded ones are failed number. That means year 1 में 50 students passed and 10 students failed. That means 50 plus 10, 60 students attempted. Na? Year 2 में 60 plus 5, 65 students attempted. 50 plus 3, 53 students attempted. That means in the 65 students, 10 students of the previous year also have attempted for sure. Na? Because question में clearly लिखा है, students who fail the exam first attempt must appear for the exam in the following year. So ये 10 students fail हुआ था first year में. So confirm they will appear in the next year. That means in the 65 students, they are there. Yeah, that 10 students will pass in second year. That is also for sure. But that is not our concern. Our concern is only first time, second year attempting students. Second year, 65 students attempted. 10 of them were previous year students. So first time year 2 students will be 65 minus 10, 55. All of you understood this 55? Please respond. Same way year 3 total 53 students are there. But year 2 students, some of them are repeating and some of them are attempting exam in year 3. How many? 5 students. So in this 53 students, 50 plus 3, 53 students, 5 of them are previous students. बाकी students नया students है. या year 2 में first time attempt करने वाला students है. तो कितना हो गया वो? 53 minus 5, 48 हो गया ना. That means 55 and 48 respectively. Option D is the answer. Is it clear to all of you? Please respond. So that is an example of a data interpretation question with bar chart involved. Similarly, pie chart, other graph representation can be asked. For plots, maps, tables, all these are possible. Clear or not? So now numerical computation and estimation is a second unit. There are many areas: ratio, proportion, percentages, powers, exponents, logarithms, permutation, combination, series, etc. So more examples of data interpretation is given here. Pie chart example, table example, line graph example. As I have told, this is an introduction to our course also. Data interpretation ke liye we have allotted 5 lectures. Bar chart we will be discussing in one lecture, pie chart also, table also, miscellaneous data interpretation, and a separate doubt clearing session also. So that is data interpretation unit. Hope all of you understood it. Now second is numerical computation and estimation. We will discuss it. There are many areas of it. Many areas of it. Yesterday we discussed this question. Now, this is a numerical computation question. We already discussed it yesterday. Do you remember? Multiple of 3 idea. Ratio, proportion, or finding the X chapter it is. Linear equation in one variable. So 48 was the answer because only one multiple of 3. Because of this sentence you can eliminate it. One more example I will show you. This is a numerical ability itself. Try this question now. DCOM is saying, with the help of your course, this time I was able to attempt 11 questions in CSIR-NET. So happy to hear, DCOM. Credit goes to you. No, credit goes to both of us, I will say. I have tried to train you well and you have responded to that well. So definitely more credits goes to you because you have written the exam anyway. Thank you so much for the good words, DCOM. Thank you for letting me know. That is the most important thing. So because that is a motivation for any teacher to continue, because many days when a teacher wakes up, we lack motivation, like why we are doing this job. Sometimes we have that thought, but if one student mentioned that you are making an impact the whole day, like it made my day, we say na, same thing, you made my this remaining day because it's really encouraging when students tell that an educator have helped his or her exam. Okay, anyway, thank you so much. Try this question all of you. 2018 PYQ hai. So all non-verbal aptitude topics I will give you an introduction today. That is the idea of today's lecture. And those of you want to join the course, I will give you an idea for each of these units or each of these topics, how many lectures we are allotting also. Any answers? Please try, all of you. Exactly, Sandeep. I will explain about it. So here, it's a number system based question. Okay, let me clarify one thing. In the syllabus, it is like vaguely mentioned numerical computation and estimation, ratio, percentage, powers, exponents, logarithm, permutation, combination, and series. That covers many wide area. This numerical computation word itself means number system is a very important area. This is a number system because here we are numerically computing. Na? Number system, the different topics or different areas. I have created 30 flashcards for number system alone. This is one of that flashcard. This flashcard is enough to finish this question. And in the course also, you will get this flashcard for free as the ebook you can access throughout your subscription period. So given that a and b are integers, a plus a square b cube is odd. So here, if you know this idea that when you get an odd number, you can get an odd number only if one number is odd and another number is even. Otherwise, you will get only even number. Some odd है मतलब इसमें से एक number odd है, दूसरा number even है. We don't know which one odd, which one even, but one number is odd, one number is even. Okay, this question can be done in different ways. I am telling you different perspective. Okay, I'll share you a better perspective or easier perspective to understand. Look at this. An easier perspective to understand is, you can take examples to start with. Last class we discussed about 15 shortcut methods. One major of them was taking example. ना ये question taking example method से easily कर सकता है. Let us try option by option and take example. A and B both are odd means let us take A is 1, B is 1. So 1 plus 1 square into 1 cube, 1 plus 1, 2. Is it odd? No. So option A is eliminated. ऐसा example से भी कर सकता है. Otherwise just generalized version is also fine. Second case we will think A and B both are even. A and B both are even means 2 and 2 smallest even numbers. 2 plus 2 square into 2 cube, that is 2 plus even number plus even number. We know even number plus even number is even. That is enough to say this is even. ये odd नहीं होगा, तो option B भी eliminate हुआ ना. Same way try third option also. A is even, A is 2, B is odd, 1. So 2 plus 2 square 4 into 1 cube. So 2 plus 4 even. That is not odd. So option C is also eliminated. So option D, A is odd, B is even. A is 1, B is 2. That is the only remaining option. So that should be the answer. So A is odd 1 plus 1 square into 2 cube. 1 square into 2 cube. That is 1 plus 8 odd. So that is the only case when you get odd. That is one way of doing it. So that is one way of doing it. Another way of doing it is you can take A outside common. In both the terms A is there. A times 1 plus A into B cube. This is a number into another number. Product of two numbers to be odd. Product of two numbers to be odd, the only way is both numbers to be odd. Because if one number is even also, product is even. Look at these 2 points in the flashcard. तो दोनों numbers odd है तो ही product odd होगा. मतलब A confirm odd होना चाहिए. A confirm odd होना चाहिए. मतलब A even वाला option eliminate हो गया. A even वाला 2 option है. अभी B odd है या even है, that is what we need to check. B is odd or even. Now let us check it. Odd, we know A is odd. 1 plus odd number into B cube. 1 plus, this is odd number plus odd number into something will be odd number into something. This should be, as you know, both should be odd. So ये odd होना चाहिए. Odd plus what is odd? Odd plus even is odd. ये odd है तो ये even होना चाहिए so that this product is even. ये product even होना चाहिए, then only odd plus even is odd. Odd plus even is odd. We need odd, then only odd into odd is odd. Because as I told, this into this being odd, only possibility is this also should be odd. For that to be odd, 1 is odd number plus even number only will be odd number. Odd number plus even number only will be odd number. By that idea, we can say this should be even number, but one number is already odd, so other number is even. B cube is even. B cube even hai, to B even hai. Look at this. Even number raised to any number is even. I'm telling a little faster because we have to cover all areas of non-verbal aptitude today in this limited time. So anyway, B cube confirm even hona chahiye, so B even hai. That way also you can say B is even. Again, if the second approach is confusing for you, taking example method will help you. Second approach is little more time saving actually. How many of you understood it? Can you please mention? 2 methods we discussed. If one of the methods also, if it is clear, let me know. So that is number system idea this was. So that is an example of a numerical computation and estimation question. All these areas, ratio, again, I have subdivided it into more chapters so that it is easy to understand. Numerical ability, this unit I have subdivided into these many chapters. These are the chapters I have divided into. Number system is a subunit I have divided, different areas of number system. And we have discussed an example of classification of numbers. Then algebra, other algebra, functions and operation, linear equation, polynomial, quadratic equation, yes, sir, inequality, etc. Then other practical number system ideas, percentage, fraction, ratio, proportion, profit, loss, discount, interest, monetary problems, permutation, combination, probability. Probability is in statistics unit, but all these areas are numerical computation itself. That means maximum number of areas comes under this single subtopic, numerical computation and estimation. So that is just briefly mentioned as a title, but looking at previous year's question paper, you will understand which all are actually more important. So that way we will be teaching in the course also. Next is mensuration and geometry. Mensuration and geometry, you know already what is mensuration and geometry. One example we will see. One simple example we will discuss. All these are examples of mensuration and geometry. This we will start with a counting problem where it's a reasoning area, but it is geometry based. That is why we will discuss it in under geometry itself. Exactly, Sandeep. Thank you. Thank you for the good words. Welcome. Okay, Ananya. So try this, all of you. 2022 previous year question this was. One request, this video link, share it to your friends so that they can watch it as a recording also. This recording will be available in this channel so that they can get your clear idea about GATE general aptitude, all topics of non-verbal, and tomorrow verbal also will be discussing. If more people are there, we are trying to continue the demo videos for 2-3 more days. Through the demo videos itself, you can learn more topics. But I need more participation. So the current upcoming demo videos or free videos will be in the mobile app. So make sure all of you have downloaded our mobile application. The name is Christy's Classes, and in the description also you can find it, or in Play Store if you search it also you can find it. So if you're watching in laptop, Christy's Classes.in website, through that also you can access our demo videos that we are having from tomorrow. Tomorrow we are starting it. If more people respond, we will be planning for 2 or 3 demo videos total. Okay, so this question is very simple question. Figure shows a grid formed by collection of unit squares. The unshaded unit square in the grid represents a hole. So this is the hole. What is the maximum number of squares without a hole in the interior? Without a hole in the interior means you have to count the squares, but that the hole should not be inside the square. So that means if you count this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Or we can say total 16 minus 1. 4 into 4, 16. Na? But this is a hole that cannot be considered as a square. That is a square with a hole in the interior. But square without a hole in the interior चाहिए. इसलिए 15 1 by 1 squares है. मतलब 1 unit length 1 unit breadth वाला 15 है. अभी 2 unit length 2 unit breadth वाला squares भी है ना. For example, this one, look at this, or this one, or this one, please don't miss it, this one, or this middle one. These are the 5 more squares. You cannot count this one because that have hole in the square. मतलब 1 vertically 1 2 3, horizontally 1 2 3, but this is counted twice. Don't count it twice. The total 5 more. 15 plus 5, 20 only, not 21. If you mistake, if you double count this, you can get a wrong answer. And look how they have carefully kept the option 21, so that if anyone they will get a negative mark. So option B, 20 is the answer. All of you understood this? Please respond. So that is an example of geometry and mensuration question. Geometry and mensuration question. Mensuration means area, perimeter, volume related questions. Area, perimeter, volume related questions. Now then comes elementary statistics and probability. That is the last subunit. Elementary statistics and probability means statistics have different areas. Okay, before that, let me just introduce. In our course, geometry and mensuration, we are subdividing it into more chapters. Geometry, coordinate geometry, mensuration, distance and direction. All these are connected areas of geometry. So that single subtopic we are subdividing again into 4 chapters, and that is how we will be discussing it. So then comes elementary statistics and probability. Elementary statistics and probability mein there are different subtopics. Averages, arithmetic mean, geometric mean, harmonic mean, standard deviation, variance, etc. Or cumulative frequency, that also is needed sometimes. And probability as a separate area also. Probability, I'll give you one example for that from GATE 2021 paper. Anuj, actually I didn't get much questions from the students. I got only 2 or 3 questions from the students. If students are sending more questions, we will conduct that session. Otherwise, we will wait for the official question paper to be published. After that, definitely that chemical science question paper will be analyzed and all questions will be discussed. Other subjects, there more students have sent me questions. So if more questions I'm receiving, at least 10 to 15 questions from students if I'm getting, because it is memory based now. I haven't written that exam, that is why if students send the question, then only we can. And secondly, I was busy with this course that I am starting from day after tomorrow. I want to prepare the content, prepare the PPT and all things. That is also a reason that I could not schedule one more lecture on it. So length of rope came in. Okay, length of rope came. Yeah, that can be based on trigonometry also. That can be based on geometry also, Sandeep. Seeing the question only, I can confirm it. But trigonometry if angle is involved, geometry if angle is not involved, we can say. Mitsu, no, we haven't published GATE PYQ book. Only GATE. The flashcards we have published for GATE. 100 flashcards for GATE General Aptitude. We are planning for a GATE complete book itself, but it will take more time because I'm not able to manage time currently with respect to my YouTube classes, paid courses, other institute classes, etc. So anyway, try this question. It's an example of that last unit of quantitative aptitude, probability and elementary statistics. Okay, I'll start explaining. So probability, a very good question. This kind of question was repeated also multiple times in previous GATE exams. A box contains 15 blue balls and 45 black balls. 15 blue balls and 45 black balls. If 2 balls are selected randomly without replacement, yeah, with the replacement, without replacement, both ways question can be asked. Probability of an outcome in which the first selected is blue, second selected is black. So the order is mentioned. First one blue होना चाहिए, second one black होना चाहिए. First one blue होने का chance 15 blue balls है, total 60 balls में से. So 15 out of 60 होगा. Now second one black होने का chance 45 black balls है, black balls है out of total 60 balls. Without replacement है, so balls का number कम नहीं हो रहा है. Initially 60 or later also 60 without replacement. Now, these two things should together happen. That is called fundamental principle of counting, multiplication rule. If one thing can be done in m ways, another thing in n ways, both the thing together can be done in m into n ways. That is 15 into 60 into 45, 15 by 60 into 45 by 60 will be the answer. Because question mein likha hai, first one blue, second one black. If that was not mentioned, then there is 2 times this, that will be the answer. Because blue ke baad black, black ke baad blue, dono possible tha. So when you simplify it, you will get 1 by 4 into 45 and 60 cancels. So 1 second. Without replacement, I made a mistake here. I misunderstood it as with the replacement. Without replacement means the ball that you have taken is missing in the bag. 15 out of 60 first, that is correct. The blue ball probability. But black ball probability 45 by 60 nahi hai, 45 by 59 hoga. Because after you take one ball, that ball is missing in the bag. मतलब 1 ball लेने के बाद 15 blue ball 45 black ball नहीं, 14 blue ball और 45 black ball होगा. That is total 59 balls. उसमें से black मिलने का chance सिर्फ 45 है. So 45 by 59, not 60. 60 will be correct if it is with the replacement. 45 by 60. So this will be the probability. इसको simplify किया तो 45 by 236 मिलेगा. 1 by 4 cancel करके. All of you clear how option B 45 by 236 is the answer? So that is the probability section. Again, probability is a bigger chapter. That is why I have subdivided it into 2 lectures where we will be discussing all theory in detail. And elementary statistics, we have a separate lecture on elementary statistics itself, and averages and mixtures are also part of elementary statistics itself. So these are the quantitative aptitude unit. All of you understood quantitative aptitude, what all comes in quantitative aptitude? The biggest unit in GATE general aptitude. So shall we go to the next unit? Next unit is analytical aptitude, or simply we can say reasoning unit. Mitsu, it is Christy apostrophe S classes. Christy's classes is the name of the app. In the description, the link is given of the app, or in Play Store you can search Christy apostrophe S class, or in Google if you search also you can find it directly. So as I told, if you have any confusion regarding how to join the course or anything, you can contact us. The contact number given in the bottom of the screen. Okay, so analytical aptitude, this is what GATE have mentioned or IIT have mentioned about the syllabus. Logic, deduction and induction, analogy, numerical relation, reasoning. Again, that is a vague distribution of syllabus. Now, I have subdivided it into chapters so that you can easily understand it. These are the subtopics of reasoning or analytical aptitude. Reasoning, syllogism is one major unit. Many number of questions were asked from syllogism alone. Coding, decoding is a very interesting, easy chapter. Series formation, blood relation, ranking and ordering, seating arrangement, statement related problem, cubes and dices, miscellaneous reasoning questions. So we have scheduled 10 lectures for this reasoning unit itself. Reasoning means analytical aptitude is the title given in the official syllabus. Simply speaking, reasoning is the unit name. I will give you examples. This is a syllogism question. I will show you example for each, almost all the major types. Syllogism means Venn diagram kaisa draw karna hai. If you know that, it is very easy. So make a try. One example of syllogism we will discuss itself. Okay, Sandeep, in the full course we will discuss it in detail. Don't worry, don't worry. Or check out my probability previous classes. There I have explained about all those types. So here the best thing to do for this question is Venn diagram, how to draw Venn diagram. And second thing is minimal overlapping diagram you should know. Basic minimal overlapping diagram. If you know these two, these questions are so easy. For example, some engineers are writers means some X or Y means this is how to draw it. Engineer, writer. No writer is an actor means writer and actor there is no intersection at all. So writer, no intersection with actor. But actor may or may not have intersection with engineer. But in minimal overlapping diagram, you don't have to worry about it. First draw minimal overlapping diagram. Then if needed, you can draw other diagrams. All actors are engineers. Actors should be subset of engineers. So you have to redraw this picture and put it inside engineer. But sorry, inside engineer, actor should be inside engineer. Because all X or Y will be represented. One set is subset of another set. but no writer is an actor is mentioned. So this is the diagram you can draw. Now you check. Some writers are engineers. Some writers are engineers. Yeah. Some engineers are writers means some writers are engineers is correct now. Some X or Y means some Y or X will be correct. Now all engineers are actors. Sara engineers actors hai matlab engineer should be subset of actor set. No, actor is subset of engineer set, not the other way around. That is why this is not correct. But this is not necessary. No actor is a writer. Yeah, question clearly say no writer is an actor. No X or Y implies no Y or X. So this is correct. This is correct. This is correct. Some actors are writers. Some actors are writers. No, no actor is writer is already mentioned. From the diagram also it is clear. So 1 and 3 is correct. So this is how to typically do it. Those of you are weak in Venn diagram or weak in Venn diagram how to draw it or syllogism, we will be starting from the beginning. There's a separate lecture on syllogism only. So this is more examples of syllogism. And syllogism is one type. Then statement related question. This is an example of a statement related problem. This is an analogy problem. Pen is to write, knife is to dash. 2024 में भी analogy problem आया था. And this is a ranking and ordering question, arranging people according to some criteria. And this is a blood relation problem. And this is again puzzle type question or reasoning miscellaneous question. This is an example of a coding decoding question asked in previous GATE exam. So all these we will be covering in separate lectures. Syllogism 1 lecture, coding decoding, series formation, blood relation, ranking ordering, seating arrangement, statement related problem, cubes and dices also, because last year there was a question and few years back also there was a question. That is why we are not avoiding any topic. All topic questions which were asked, all from all areas from questions came in GATE exam. We have covered that in this course. So all this we will be discussing in separate lecture. So that is about this unit. Day after tomorrow, the first lecture in our complete course, I will be showing flashcards for each of these topics and one example for each of the topic will be explaining also. This is like a shorter version of that lecture. A longer version will be there day after tomorrow. So if you want to join the complete course, you can attend that first session onwards itself. Okay, so the final unit is spatial aptitude in non-verbal aptitude. Spatial aptitude, again, this was like 3 years back only. Yeah, now 4 years back. 4 years back only this topic was clearly mentioned in the syllabus. Uske pehle bhi questions aaya tha, but as it is mentioned in the syllabus now all question paper, almost 100% sure you can get minimum one question from this area. When I'm saying almost 100 means what very rarely they have skipped the question in some set, but almost all set had question from spatial aptitude in the last 3 years. Spatial aptitude means symbol or pattern type question. उसमें transformation of shapes, translation, rotation, scaling, mirroring, assembling, grouping, paper folding, cutting, ये सब included है. So that is spatial aptitude. For example, these are few examples of spatial aptitude. I will show you one example to try. This question you can try. 2021 paper folding ka question tha. All of you try. Those of you watching this session, if the session is useful, please hit the like button. Please share it among your friends. Please comment on this video. More the interaction, YouTube will also recommend this video to more people. Spread the word if you feel these sessions are useful for students. Let others know. If more people are joining, I will also be able to invest more time on this YouTube classes also along with the paid courses. Yes, Mitsu, analogy problem is very important. Even in GATE exam also, NET exam also, it is now last few years they have started asking it. GATE exam it was asking it like for many years, but NET exam also they are asking it now. Yeah, memory based question decom I told you na. I didn't get questions from students for chemical science. That's why I'm waiting for the official question paper from CSIR. That time we will discuss most probably. Because currently I am also busy with this GATE course preparation. So it's a very simple question. A transparent square sheet shown at right side is folded along a dotted line. Folded sheet will look like. So this if you look at it, you fold this, like here you are cutting it and folding it or folding it, then this part will come here like this now, and this line will flip. Which option says so? Option B says so. Elimination is enough. This is definitely wrong. This is definitely wrong because this line position is wrong. This is definitely wrong because this line also have changed. This line there should not be any change. That is why this is also eliminated. Only option which is correct is option B. So these are other little more trickier version like jigsaw puzzle. These kinds of questions are repeatedly asked. So that is again rotation. There are mainly three major operations: translation, rotation, flipping. If you understand about them in detail, it will be very easy. Spatial aptitude, we have devoted 2 separate lectures to discuss spatial aptitude alone. Spatial aptitude का 2 separate lectures होगा ये course में. So there we will discuss it in detail. So that is about the quantitative aptitude units. Please let me know, is it clear whatever we have discussed till now? As I have told, all of you are welcome to be part of our complete course. It's not a regular course. It's like a complete system for you for your GATE preparation aptitude section. I mean, classes is one of it, one of the many things you are getting. Classes ke saath you can ask the doubts anytime you want, and there will be a regular doubt clearing session, regular performance analysis. There will be regular tests so that you can check how much you are improving in aptitude or which area you have problem. Identify that and practice more, and more practice questions. All things are included in this course. First 4 month classes mean more classes, but tests also will be there, but not very frequent. For 4 months ke baad there will be more tests so that you can analyze yourself. Mock test also, topic by topic test also we are planning. Topic by topic test, if you people are able to attend it live. Otherwise, we will be giving you questions so that you can try those questions and see how many questions you are able to do. So both ways we will try. So once the course starts, we will be having a discussion with the students also, so that what is best for you they can also recommend, so that we can include that in this course. So this is, yeah, I am trying to make it the best course that is available anywhere in India. So this is I was giving the courses as part of other platforms earlier. Now it's the first time the GATE course is part of our platform. Earlier in Unacademy I have giving this course, and in other platforms in Delhi also I was giving this course, and now also I'm giving classes in other offline institutes and online institutes. But this is like the only course where you can get everything in a single course for GATE General Aptitude. You don't have to refer anything else other than this course after joining this course. So if you want to be part of this course, we welcome all of you to be part of this course, and let your friends know about this course. Whether you join the course or not, you can let your friends know about this course. Let more people be part of this course. That is what I want from all of you, a support for this course. As I told you, course सारा streams के लिए common है. Pure science and engineering. Pure science streams and engineering, all streams, this course is common itself. These are the pure science streams. My audience of CSIR-NET, all of you may be appearing one of these exams for GATE. But engineering also, GATE General Aptitude is same itself. So सारा streams के लिए ये course common है. So if any of your friends preparing for engineering also, or any of your friends preparing for pure science also, invite them. So YouTube class, Sandeep, yeah, that may be a doubt some of you have. There is a playlist in YouTube I have given. That is a playlist that I have uploaded almost, I think, 2.5 years back. 2.5 years back. That is, if you ask me whether that is good, definitely that is good, because I have tried to make it as better as possible at that time. But now 2 years have passed by. I have also revised the course. I have also updated it. Especially, main thing is that 2 years question paper itself, how the trend have changed. Accordingly, we have designed this course. So definitely the complete course in mobile app will be better than the YouTube course. But if you cannot attend the afford or cannot attend the complete course, YouTube playlist you can definitely use. that is definitely a useful course itself, but complete course will be more useful than that, because this is not a collection of videos only. First of all, you are attending it live, that is one thing. Secondly, videos are just, or live classes or videos are just one of the many things you are getting from this. Study materials in YouTube, you are not getting any study materials, and you are not having any test or anything, or any analysis of yourself, or you cannot attend, you cannot ask the doubts live in the class. All these things are an updation of the YouTube course itself. And as I told, every year when you see the previous year question paper, we understand how all GATE is trying to trick you more, how your some areas we are given little more importance than other area. Yeah, complete change of pattern haven't happened in the last many years, but importance of areas and all you will understand better when you see a revised course. That is the main thing. So sir, GATE course may agar live miss kar. Okay, that's a doubt some of you may be having. If you are missing the live classes, if you are missing or not missing the live class also, the recording will be available the next day itself. लाइव क्लास होने के नेक्स्ट डे में ही रिकॉर्डिंग अवेलेबल होगा, और रिकॉर्डिंग आपको अनलिमिटेड टाइम्स देख सकता है. देयर इज नो लिमिट हाउ मेनी टाइम्स यू कैन वॉच द रिकॉर्डिंग. वो रिकॉर्डिंग you will be able to access till February 15, 2025. That means for 8 months from now, you have complete access of the recording. As per your wish, you can watch. When I am saying as per your wish, only in your device, not in your friend's device. It's a course designed for individuals. It is not like to share among friends. It is for individuals. So because that way only we can conduct any complete course or any live course, because the investment we need for setting up this course is huge, to be frank. Not only time, money investment, the time investment and other investments we have to invest is much more. That is why we want to make sure that it is useful for students also, and it is useful for us also, so that we can conduct more such courses in the future for other exams also. So that is about the details of the recordings that you can get. Again, timing of live class is 8 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. If you are missing 1 or 2 days live classes, you can watch recording of that. If you are missing many days live classes also, recording will always be available. Some people, what they do is, live classes they cannot attend it due to time constraint or something. Doubt clearing sessions they will attend live and ask their doubt after the previous 9 class. But I will not recommend that. Only if there is an unavoidable situation only skip the live class. Otherwise, try to attend live itself. Because attending live you get more compared to recording. That is what I believe. Some people can watch recording also and get maximum output just like a live class, but live class experience is something different. You can ask the doubts instantly itself in a live class, and that feeling that okay, together we are learning with other students, that itself will be encouraging for you to learn more. The live poll and other things also will be encouraging for you to try more questions also. So that are some features of the live class. But if you cannot attend live class due to unavoidable situation, then you have to watch the recording of that particular video and try to attend the next day's live class at least. So that's it. Any other doubts about this course? I want to clarify all the doubts regarding the course also in 1 or 2 days itself, because day after tomorrow we are starting the course. And once again reminding you, tomorrow also free class will be there, but that free class won't be in this YouTube channel. It is in our mobile application, Christy's classes. So download our mobile app now itself, so that you can watch that session live itself tomorrow. Tomorrow we will be discussing the verbal aptitude part. Today we discuss the non-verbal aptitude part. Tomorrow verbal aptitude part hum discuss karega. And those of you who want to join the course, download the mobile app or check the description of the video. You can get direct link to join the course. After joining the course, if you check the mobile app also, you can access the classes. So there are different ways to join the course. Direct link in the description. नहीं है तो मोबाइल ऐप डाउनलोड करके ज्वाइन कर सकता है, नहीं है तो वेबसाइट विजिट करके भी ज्वाइन कर सकता है, christysclasses.in वेबसाइट विजिट करके भी. So whatever way you can join, you want to join, you can join. So tomorrow we will be discussing the second section, that is the second part, I mean verbal aptitude part. So let your friends also know about the tomorrow's free class. If more people are joining, we are planning to conduct 1 or 2 more free classes after this on these areas or these topics. If there is no other doubts, let's conclude. All of you, make sure you have hit the like button and share this video to your friends, and if possible comment on this video what you felt about the session, or if there's any doubt regarding this lecture or the upcoming course, that also you can mention. More details of the upcoming course I have given it in the other videos in this channel also. So thank you, take care, bye bye, have a good night, see you all on the next session. Sandeep is asking a doubt, let me just address it. So would you teach the same way as I'm teaching now, Sandeep? I mean, same in laptop through the pen tab itself I will be teaching. Because in the board, if you use, the problem is the live poll and other features cannot be done properly. And the doubts, to clarify the doubts, it will be more difficult also. That is why it will be through the same, as I told, this is a demo video itself, so how you are attending this class, but this class is like 45 minutes, but that session will be 1.5 hours, so the content will be little more elaborately discussed. That is the main thing. So that's it, thank you, take care, bye bye.